Hello, kids! Let's explore H blends. Are you ready? Let's go!
Cheese, yummy cheese. Chicken, a fluffy chicken. Chair, here is a chair. Chocolate, delicious chocolate.
Great job! Chair, cheese, chicken, chocolate.
Phone, a blue phone. Photo, a family photo. Dolphin, a happy dolphin. Elephant, a big elephant.
Well done! Phone, photo, elephant, dolphin.
Shark, a swimming shark. Sheep, a fluffy sheep. Ship, a big ship. Shoes, red shoes.
Awesome! Ship, shoe, shark, sheep.
Tree, the number 3. Thumb, a thumbs up. Teeth, shiny white teeth. Bath, a bubble bath.
Super! Thumb, 3, bath, teeth.
Whale, a big whale. White, a white body. Whistle, a silver whistle. Wheel, a spinning wheel.
Great! Wheel, whale, whistle, white. Wow! You learned so many H-blend words today. CH words: chair, cheese, chicken, chocolate. PH words: phone, photo, elephant, dolphin. SH words: ship, shoe, shark, sheep. TH words: thumb, 3, bath, teeth. WH words: wheel, whale, whistle, white. Great job, kids! See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning.